this total induction program and her team totally fine.
Good morning, everybody. How are you all today? Are you all tensed? There is nothing to be tensed. It is one way of checking our skills. Let's see where we are in this. Okay. Every day we come across a lot of things, but this is one way to check if we are to the par with the market. First, anyway, let me start introducing my team. Our marketing manager, Mr. Manish. Our HR assistant manager, Shama. Our administration, Santosh. They are all here. They are to be with you today. So, okay, Vsoft has basic knowledge about Vsoft. How many of you know about Vsoft technologies? Or how many of you went and looked up in the website to see what Vsoft is? See, I see a few hands. So are you all excited to hear more about us? Yes. Okay, the one important thing is Vsoft started 20 years ago in United States of America, and our office is still there. We opened the development center in India. So totally we have completed 20 years this February. Thank you. So we are now growing steadily, and I think I'll give it to Manish to give a small demo on Vsoft technology.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry for making you guys wait this time. As rightly ma'am said, we have started our organization in 1996 at Atlanta, US. So before going straight into the presentation, just wanted to know, as anyone can let me know, what do you understand from our website? What is Vsoft all about? Anyone? You have to raise your hand. No one knows nothing? No one knows anything about Vsoft. So how many of you guys went and spent time on website at least for 5 minutes? What's your name? Rashik. Okay. What do you know about Vsoft after going through the website?
You are mostly dealing with the financial issues about banking sector.
Great. And this is forever. At least one among this, we are totally into banking sector, BFSL. Okay. We'll start the presentation starting from what are we, how we start this organization, where are we up to, what are our achievements, who are our clients, the complete intro session about Vsoft. Right? Are you ready? Yes. Seriously? Yes. I'll be asking doubts after this session. Yes. Ready with it? Yes. I bought many gifts for you. I shouldn't take it back, okay? Done. Here's the presentation. Stand for a bit. It's hardly 2 and 2.5 minutes video. Okay? Starting with the presentation, Vsoft incorporated in 1996 at Atlanta, started by two technical champions at 80s. Company, Mr. Vishwanath. They are still running this company. The core management team is still there. So we are totally into banking and financial sector, as I said, with 2 decades of experience in serving the cutting-edge technology and cost-effective technology in banking sector. You can see in a crisp manner, if we go straight, in this 20 years, we have served more than 2,600 clients globally. 2,600 clients is not a single thing, I mean not a simple thing, and moreover more than 300 clients in India. You can see HDFC, Kotak, state banks, other cooperative sectors, Odisha state government, you name any bank, they are using our products. What exactly we are doing? And coming to the employee base, we have more than 1,200 plus working for Vsoft. We have 1,200 plus Vsoft family, and moreover 800 to 1,000 members are in India. We have offices in Hyderabad, Kukatpalli. I mean in Hyderabad there is another data center at Kukatpalli. We have offices in Bangalore. So we are spread globally. We'll show you in the next slides. Coming to our products, I said I'll be asking doubts after this. Okay. So coming to our products, we are into payment solutions. We are into payment solutions, core banking and digital banking. So payment solutions in such a way that, hope you remember when you drop a check at, if you drop a check at any other bank, so usually a year before, how many days will it take to get clear into your account? 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, now it's going instantly. In the next day itself you are getting it. Most of our banks are using our system, which is CDS. It's a flagship product of ours, where we scan the check, we'll send it to direct NPCI, which is the RBI government body. So it will be cleared with the image scanning and etc. So we make hassle-free, seamless for all the organization to give you the best user support. And coming to the second product of ours, segment which is core banking. Core banking, hope you know. Wherever you go in the banks or financial institutions, they will be running some software to enter your data, things, if you want a statement, you will be taking a statement. The backend software which banks use, we provide. Right? And coming to the third part, digital banking, where you know things have been moved very fast. The world is really moving on fast wheels of technology. Everything is hassle-free. Right? Everything. Now, the outgoing for the bank or stepping in the bank become very minimal. Everyone are using net banking, right? How many of you are using net banking? Almost 80% of you are using net banking. So we provide that type of platforms also. We have a product called digital banking platform where it will be customized for it. It is very hassle for the banking sector. So we do that type of products too. Coming to the next innovative platform. Many would have got this down. VSoft is there since 20 years. It's spread over the globe, more than 7 countries. And moreover, it got 2,600 clientele base all over the world. And more than 300 banks are using this. Have you ever heard about VSoft? Yes, no? Some people say yes. At least 10 or 15% knows VSoft, that's great. But 80% doesn't know because we never concentrated on B2C sector. We were purely concentrating on B2B, business to business or bank to bank. So we are pretty famous in banking sectors. Okay. Now we are coming up with an innovative product. What is J? Yes, it's a pocket. So nowadays everything is in your pocket. Starting from your the conversations which happens on the chat, the WhatsApp. The world has become very small with this pocket, right? And moreover with the mobile. So now, hope you all know about NEFT, IMPS, RTGS. These are the 3 platforms which are readily available in the market where you can instantly transfer or receive money from anywhere, right? IMPS is a recent thing. And now what UPI, what happens, UPI is an architecture or a platform where what happens is, you can directly, instantly send, for example, someone from there, Mahesh or Rajshekhar, I don't even know his account number or IFSC code or anything else. Now with this UPI, what I can do is, I can transfer amount with his mobile number, by using his mobile number. I can directly type his mobile number, the mobile number will be accounted with the bank and he can directly receive the money. We can transfer the amount through mobile number or virtual address or any shortcut keys. So this is the next generation product. The government have launched it in April. We are ready with the product based upon the UPI. The app is called Jave. We are all set ready. In 2 months we have done with the product and we won an award for this, which is called NPI, National Payment Corporation of India, which is RBI's platform. We have won this award. This is like VSoft has won this hackathon. And you'll be surprised to see the competitors. There are more than 3,819 bankers or technology nerds who have participated in it and we won it. We proudly say that in 2016 we have won it and many other major competitors or the major brands you know are following us right now. Coming to the next slide. Okay, what are our achievements in this year? we are like top most promising BFSI software provided by Silicon India. Then we have received many awards. Like whenever any state government have organizes this cooperative summit, we have won it. Right from the Third Point West 3-tier data center at Gujarat, best innovative product of banks at Maharashtra, and I would like to share this thing. Like in Odisha, we have almost covered all the cooperative banking sectors in 17 states. And when the government have launched this Kisan loan system, we have done with the product KLS, Kisan Loan Service product, where 56 lakh farmer families have been using this. And moreover, we have covered 98% of the farmers in our product. So that is the biggest thing. Almost all the banks all the cooperative banks in the Odisha government, they are using our products. Okay. Now we have spoke about the products, the achievements, the things, where are we? Now we have to talk about where are we placed at. That's what you are also literally speaking. Is it a Hyderabad-based company or Indian-based company? So probably Indian owners, but it's a US-based one, Atlanta, and we have spread in 7 countries. You can see on this screen. We are there in Canada, we are there in Caribbean, we are there in Philippines, we are there in Mumbai, whatnot. We are there. We are also expanding. That's the reason we are here today. To make you guys to join in our Weave family. And you can see our clientele base starting from Axis, City, Union, Kotak, Ratnakar, Lakshmi Vilas, and whatnot, Colonial Bank, Discover, NPCI, and many more. So basically, I'll give you some reasons why you have to choose VSOP, how far we are different from others. But people that just wanted to know from you, wanted to hear from you, because many people here have certain dreams that after settle in this type of job role or job profile, just wanted to know, anyone can share that. What's a dream company and why do you want to join in that company? Anyone from this side? Microsoft.
Start his career. It is best for any students like to provide banking domain working.
You would love to work in Microsoft, that's your dream.
Yeah.
One reason why?
Because anyone want because its own name brand.
It's all about the brand.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Fine. You're totally attracted to you're brand conscious, I can say. But I can say there are many other companies. Microsoft is such a lovely company, but there are many other companies in the market who got great brand, but many people are still on bench. But fine, I would really appreciate you for raising your hand. Thanks for him. At least someone has guts to share. I'm using this word. Someone has the guts to share that he has a dream company. He has. I want to know much more about others. No dream companies, whatever, any company in Amirpet or SRL you would love to join. You're not choosy? You don't have plans? Yeah. You can take it.
I want to join in National Innovation Technology because if we have only ideas in software, we go for software. If we want to do much more things, software, hardware, or anything, the best choice is National Innovation Technology. There we can contribute our ideas and we can get more people towards working that idea, and it will be helpful our nation. That's my dream. Thank you.
One thing which I liked in a way is like innovation. She wanted to, she don't really want to stick in the same way the software or hardware. She wanted to explore more, innovate more, do more. Just great round of applause for her. Anyone from this area? Okay. What's your name?
My name is Madar Wali. My dream company is Google. I have a big dream on web designing and I want to create my own kingdom in software. So I just chosen to do. I have many thoughts on software field. I want to create my own kingdom. I want to expose my branches. So I chosen Google is a good platform for web designer or web developer.
Then you should be an entrepreneur, not working in Google. Because you want to create your own software.
I love the Google. They are providing good facilities. Opportunities.
Thank you so much. So, he loves Google because the first statement what he said is false. Because he wants to set his own business and do some, you want to start your own. Acha, you like using their softwares? Okay, great. And he also loves he loves Google facilities there, right? Anyone from that end? I just really want to, because I have a valid reason for asking this. It's not just random questions, but I just want to know and I can correlate things with this. Otherwise, I'll randomly pick some people. Can I? Okay. So, the first phase is over, second, you. You can give that one. We can hear you. We can, please. What's your dream company?
To go government job, sir.
You want to go for a government job. Why? I know the reasons. Even I'm fascinated to government jobs. But just wanted to know why. Sorry? Life settled. Don't you think working anywhere or else in the private organization, your life won't get settled? So can I ask you another question? Why are you here? Chalo, time pass करेंगे. Yes, stop. We'll throw a stone. If it clicks, okay, work for 1 year and see update. Right? At least she's literally very courageous and open. That's we have to applaud. Many of us, 90% of us, like literally, we are fascinated towards government jobs. But I can tell you there is much more beyond that. I mean, the private organization where you find great growth in it, where you can literally find. Yeah, please. You can come on to this.
Good morning, all. Good morning. About 26 banks you are providing in the facility. So, 300, more than 300 banks. Sorry, ma'am. Because I saw I'm sitting from that side now, so I didn't get your voice. That's why. And sir and ma'am, actually, money is so important, seriously. And lots of people are doing the internet and all on that's why. So I want to say about that. I want to join your company such like innovations, so I can make proud feel for that innovations. That's it.
Great. What's your dream company? Skip the point actually.
Actually, I want to make my company.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Tejaswini Dami.
Tejaswini. Okay. So one day she'll be here. She'll come here to hire some of your guys, some of your brothers or sisters. And if possible, if you can give us a chance to work with or to associate with, we're really happy. Because Vsoft is such a lovely company which is very friendly. We associate with many other organizations too. We encourage many people who are entrepreneurs. So So we, as you said, I have kept that in 2 or 3 minutes by saying that at least someone will someone will get some ideas. The first point over there is innovations. As I rightly said, our products are based upon the innovative what market exactly needs. We majorly concentrate on market needs and we innovate products based upon the present market trends. That's where. So we have a separate innovative room in our organization where people will go there, brainstorm on ideas, and they'll come up with great things. Because innovations is all about like in order to go with the flow, we have to understand, we have to be in the market. And second thing, when it comes to the second point, which we really want to focus over here is like learning and development. Try to increase their what we call developing skills or learning, and in every segment we organize some training programs to keep on updating what exactly the market needs and how to develop. If some person is lacking on some communication skills, we try to focus more on this communication skills. If someone is like literally lacking on some technical knowledge, we take separate sessions for them, but we just don't directly blame the other person that without knowing anything why they are here. Because we wanted to literally make the other person to be so strong in whatever way he is, in terms of personally and professionally. And we treat our PSOT family as people generally call us employees, but we call them as associates. And we have a lovely thing which is called open door policy. Open door policy is like all the rooms. I mean to say, even you're starting from the MD room, you don't find the room is closed for at least 10 minutes rather than the presentation time. The room will be always open and we can directly go to him, knock the door, go to him, talk to him. It might be about new innovation products or things or updations, or you can directly discuss. It's totally open. And work-life balance, we always believe in that there is a greater life after work also, which is personal life. We almost give all the respect and support for the personal life. Fun at work, benefits, nurturing growth, collaborative culture, yes. And these are some celebration pictures. We celebrate almost all the occasions and sometimes unoccasional programs also. We just want to have fun at the workplace, which we have greatly do. And finally, I still have so many gifts over here, I don't really want to take this one. Okay? So now, you came to know what VSoft is, who are we, what do we do, where are we, etc. Right? Now just wanted to ask, what is VSoft? Why do you want to work with us? Because we are running short of time, we just have 2 minutes, you can raise your hand.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to thank Nagababu sir for introducing this company.
We also.
Because
such a lovely person. Really bless you all guys. You are under this training, guidance.
Because I never heard the company that called Innovative Technologies. After I heard the word Innovative Technologies, I can prove myself as a computer student over there. And it's a banking and digital marketing company. Mainly it's spread through US foreign countries. And first of all, I appreciate that clients are more than 3,000. It's a very good company. Already I attended a lot of the company, but I never heard that the company is that much of having clients. So I feel very happy after.
Great. Thank you so much. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Before this, I didn't heard actually about VSoft, but today I came to know about it, and I'm really happy to hear about it. VSoft is a company for financial and in banking sector it deals with. Today, what I came to know here is that you are innovative people. Means apart from financial and banking sector, you develop apps such as Dave, which will be very famous in future. So that's why I want to work with VSoft. Thank you.
At least someone spoke about Jay. I was just literally waiting. So now, how many of you are literally interested to join the V family? Really glad and happy to see this response. Thank you so much. So thank you all for being here, and we literally thank and appreciate Nagu sir and Durga Soft for making this happen. So I'm seriously looking forward. Many of them will be a part of the family very soon, the Soft family. So looking forward. All the very best for your examination.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
I just want to say one more thing. Thank you all for coming first, and thank Ms. Nurjahan also for coordinating the whole thing. If you all are not called today, please don't lose heart. We are steadily growing. So we will be coming back for you again. So you please work on it. So it is not like this is it, whether you pass today or not. We are always coming back for you, so keep working. And thank you, Mr. Nagar.